Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have Avni Ginger Infused Honey. But before proceeding ahead, do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button and hit that like button. Ginger honey is top herbal remedies for winter. Honey is the only food that doesn't get spoiled. So, this is how packaging of Avnis Ginger Infused Honey looks like. It comes in a glass jar. So, once you're finished with this honey, you can use it again. They have given the net weight of the product, that is 250 grams. The cost of this product is 160 rupees. It's packed on March 2021 and it best before 18 months from the date of packaging. This product is produced and packed by Avni Herbal and Healthcare. If you want to give any feedback or ideas or any suggestion, you can write to them on their email ID or even you can call them. They even have FSSAI license number. Here on packaging, they have given nutritional facts about the product. Calories 60. Calories from fat 0. Total fat 0 gram 0%. Sodium 0 milligram 0%. Total carbohydrate 17 gram 6%. Dietary fiber 0 gram 0%. Sugar 17 grams. Protein 0 gram. They have mentioned that percentage based on 2 calorie diet. They have given that honey has a tendency to crystallize in cold. Please keep it warm till clears. Now let's see how to take this ginger infused honey. If you want to do weight loss, then drink this ginger infused honey with warm water and squeeze half lemon to it and have it daily, early in the morning. Now let's see why you have to use this infused honey. It's a natural home remedy for cough and cold. It strengthens your immune system. It prevents morning sickness. It's one of the upcoming brands of India and I'm going to recommend this honey to my viewers as it has ample benefits. Do grab this honey from the purchase link which I have given below and do experience change in your life. If you like this video, do subscribe to us and be part of our YouTube family and hit that like button. Thank you.